If you have curly hair, DHI or direct hair implantation is the way to go to have your grafts implanted into the balding areas. I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and direct hair implantation is really the way to do this procedure because curly hair oftentimes is splayed, meaning the follicles don't all lay up in the same trajectory, they go in different angles. In hand placing a curly hair graft that's splayed, extremely hard, and it could be potentially very traumatic to those grafts. So the magic about DHI with curly grafts is that we're taking the follicle from the top and we're loading it into the implanter needle so that everything is kind of tucked in. It's almost like, you know, getting squeezed into a tube like that. And so given the fact that these hairs are tucked in, we can place the grafts and then discharge the device so that the hair stays in. We can use that curl because you can only load the grafts with the curl up. So I can look at the existing hair and really kind of dial that curve to match the natural curl and make things as natural as possible. So if you have curly hair, I would actually look for a provider that does DHI. We've been doing it here at North Atlanta Hair Restoration since 2013. I'm one of the first in the country to perform this, and we've done millions of grafts. So if you're interested, you can call us at 678-845-7521. You can reach us on the web at nahairrestoration.com. That's NA as in North Atlanta, hairrestoration.com. Thank you.